Good morning, children. How are you? A very warm welcome to all of you. I am Dharmishta ma'am. Children, you have learned backward numbers in our previous session, right? So today we are going to learn backward numbers from 8080 to 7171. Now, before we begin our session, let us first quickly recap backward numbers from 7070 to 0. Now, we will revise backward numbers from 7070 to 0. So, we'll begin from 7070. 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and last 0. Eight zero 80, 79 79, 78 78, 77 77, 76 76, 75 75, 74 74, 73 73, 72 72, 71 71. So children, now we are going to write backward numbers 8080 to 7171. Now first we will write date. So today's date 21.9.20. Now we'll write heading. Leave two box, and from the third box we'll write capital B, A, C, K, W, A, R, D. Backward, then one finger space, capital N, U, M, B, E R S. Numbers. Backward numbers. Again one finger space and one big C curve, that is bracket. 8, 0, 80, a small dash, 7, 171, then a reverse C curve, that is will close the bracket. Backward numbers from 80 to 71. Now leave this whole line and from the margin we will start writing T-O, T-O. So first T-O. Then put a dot. Again write T-O. Again dot. T-O. Dot. T-O. So we'll write 4 times T-O, T-O. Now we are going to write backward numbers from 80 to 71. So our first number 80, 80. Then 79, 79. 78, 78. 77, 77. 76, 76. 75, 7, 4, 74. 7, 3, 73. 7, 2, 72. And then last 7, 1, 71. So this is our backward number. Now same way you have to write below this given T-O, T-O. So let us once again revise. 80, 80. 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72 and 71. So kids, see you again in our next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye.